Alright guys, how you guys doing today? Happy new week to every one of you. On this particular video coming from Very Dark Man, it's a very sad one. It's a sad one how some accident victims were rushed to the hospital. This is some reluctantness from the hospital staff, to treat these accident victims. I have a lot to say after watching this particular video because we blame government. We should also be blaming ourselves when it comes to emergency. It's very important. But let's watch this one together.
Wait. People, they should bring out the patient. I just see them on the road, carry them. They say people, they should bring out the patient. See what you are saying. It's not. You said people, they should bring it. You, what are you doing? You don't understand what? I have already bring the patient here. Do you want me to do your work? What are you saying? Oh, it's not your work. You are on camera that you are saying it's not your work. You are on camera. You are on camera. You are saying that I'm recording you. What nonsense? I just assist some people. People are nearly dying. I just assist them. He said, can't you call them? See how this guy see his situation. See his situation. It's something that you are on record since so. You are on record. I just see some people on the road. I just assist them. You are saying that. Must open the car. It's open.
Where is what's his name? Elijah.
He will die inside the car. No, my sister, I have already did my best for me to see some people there and bring them to hospital. She's saying she's not my distance, it's not her duty, it's not. If it is your relative, can you leave him the way he is? If it is your relative, the person, there's no hand glove. Okay, there's no hand glove. Minister of FCT, Minister of City will see this video. You said there's no hand glove. You see this video viral. You said there's no hand glove in the hospital. No problem. No. I just see those people. They had an accident. I just carried them to hospital. You said there's no hand glove. This is what you said, ba? No problem. Leave him. Let him die there. I am on the video because there's no way. Yes. See the patient. See his situation. Which kind of country? See him. This guy is nearly dying.
People should bring him out now.
People should bring him out. What is your work? Let me Federal Medical Center. Nonsense. Accident on emergency unit. I brought a patient. All of them are relaxing. Nobody will come and pick the patient. Yes, the guy is nearly dying because they say a leisure or there's nothing like help and carry. I'm here for more than 15 minutes. She can't walk. That's why I'm doing the videos. You don't have manpower. You don't have staff. So let the minister see that at Federal Medical Center there's no staff. Yes. Okay. Not a patient relative. I just see them. They had an accident here. I bring them. You need what? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? If you don't have manpower, tell the honorable minister, whosoever, that at least you need more staff. Let him die. Bring patient. So let me bring patient. If I bring patient to hospital, you want me to carry the patient, do all the necessary thing for the patient. Okay, no problem. You don't have assistant, no problem. You don't have assistance. Stand up, come inside. Go inside. If they like, let them take care of you. If they like, let them allow you. I will not open anything. I just see them on the road. They had an accident. I brought them to hospital. It's an emergency something. So if you like, leave them, let them die. If you like, take care of them. It's an emergency. If you like, don't treat them. And yes, I have already did my best. I have already did my best for me to see them on the road, bring them to the hospital. There's nothing that I can do. I don't know them. No one among them that I know.
You know, the sad part of this video is that, ironically, this is how a lot of people have lost their life. This is how a lot of people that have been rushed to the hospital, this is how they've lost their life. The nurses and doctors are not compassionate enough to do this type of profession, especially in Nigeria. It's all about the money. A lot of them, oh, nurse, they get money. There's money in nursing, they go enter. I'm telling you, there's money in nursing, they go enter. Forgetting that professions like this is with passion and compassion. You need to really love the job. You need to love to rescue people's lives before you get into professions like this. But for Nigeria, they see it as a job. That's just the problem. It's not every profession that you see as a job. It's not every profession that you see as a source of livelihood. Yes, you can pair it together, but the passion comes first in some type of profession before the money. And that is where nursing, profession like nursing, any profession in medicine, passion comes first. But Nigeria and money, that's why she's so nonchalant. Surprised, crazy. It's crazy because a lot of people have actually lost their life to this type of thing like this that you're seeing. If you put cameras in all of these hospitals, you see how negligence have caused the life of a lot of people in Nigeria. Negligence. I don't care attitude. Nurse where they fear to stain her hand with blood. I be the person won't come with infection. Okay, yes, let's say you're protecting yourself from infection, but there's no, what will I say? There's no ginger. There's no ginger in you to say, okay, yes, I want to really go fight. I want to really make sure, say, I want to rescue this person's life. There's nothing like that. Your spirit is so dull. You're just walking nonchalantly as if not be human being they bring, as if not animal. Even if not animal and a God-given life. If you're in the position to rescue the animal, you should do it. It's just the waka, the galavant. The person that brought him is already telling you that, bros, me, I don't do my part to save humanity. I don't do my part. I saw these people, they were involved in an accident. I brought them in the car. What are you supposed to do? He said, it's not you that is responsible for it. Next thing, you don't talk, say, you don't have an Anglo. For crying out, this is my country. I will not blame them because the main professionals have relocated. The main professionals that are meant for this job, they don't already relocate. How much government they pay them? Recently, I see say which governor, but now Abia State governor don't increase the salaries of doctors to 500,000. How much be that in dollars a month? Check, convert them to dollars, may see how much those other people they earn for abroad. Maybe that one are their weekly pay safe or their daily pay. Who knows? But we all know these people make a lot of money abroad. We all know. It's just crazy, bro. For real, for real, for real. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. The other day, that man thought say carry his wife go this thing because he don't get 500,000. They don't do it. Different stories. Nonchalant. They don't care about people's life. Now money. Nursing, medicine is not a profession you go into because of money and because you are looking for ways. I don't know how to put it, but it's just so sad. May God help us in Nigeria. Oh. May God help us. Every day I pray me something, no carry me, may they rush me go hospital. Well, me, okay, maybe because if they see it very dark man, they feel even rush. But other people are always feel what? How? How? Every day. Now God. I'm telling you, now God and they help us. This woman, I beg. Whoever which FMC Abuja, I beg. People like this are not supposed to be working in your hospital. For real. May God help us, oh. May God help us, walai.
You see why I said we should blame the government and we should blame ourselves as well. Do you know that the government have failed totally in every ramification in this country? They have failed. There's no emergency service. Nothing is working in this country. Why the people, for example, ambulance is driving on the road, nobody will leave the road for the ambulance, not knowing who is dying inside the ambulance. The country is dilapidating, nothing is working. You can see the reluctantness of that staff in the hospital. Like, I don't care. Let's assume, say, na mama and the carry come, or papa the carry come. Will that woman or that staff be working like that? No. You see, a lot of people go into this kind of job, like Very Dark Man stated, just because of the money they want to get from it. Many of them don't really care about humanity. We can't continue like this. For those of you attacking us all the time, God forbid, say you find yourself in this situation, then you will know that you're not supposed to be attacking us. At the end of the day, we are here not just to fight for ourselves, we are fighting for everybody in totality. The situation, the state of the nation is affecting everybody. It doesn't matter if you live abroad or if you live in Nigeria. God forbid, whoever that comes from abroad can somehow, someday, God forbid, find themselves in anything like this. Maybe an accident, criminality, kidnapping, or anything. So in case you live abroad, you're part of the people that is saying, oh, you're not consign me, you're not consign me. After all, I live in America, UK, or any developed country. Listen, somehow, someday, you will visit your country. Maybe you have family members at home as well. Let's put our heads together to fight how this country can be a better country, not just for me, but for you and I. Take care, guys. This is NAIJA Media. Join us every day, Nigeria time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting us. When I say let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting us, this is one of them. Take care, guys, and bye for now.